Hey everyone, Jon Corra here, Marketing Director for Mitsubishi. This is a very special Mitsubishi Outlander Sport because it's my Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. Recently, one of you asked me to explain how the fast key entry system works on this vehicle. And I thought, well, what a great idea to show everyone. So let's today show you how the fast key system works on the Outlander Sport. Alright, so this is going to be a really simple video. Now the fast key system is available on the SE trim of the Outlander Sport as well as the GT. Mine is an SE. It's a 2021, but the easiest way to tell if your vehicle has this, especially if you have like a recent Outlander Sport, is the key fob. And that is what mine looks like right there. And super simple to use. This is the passkey system that stays in your pocket or your purse or whatever. All you have to do is just leave that fob in your pocket, and then you'll notice that there is a button here on the door, a little black button sticking out. It's very small. All you have to do is just push that, and you can tell the vehicle has just unlocked. Now, something to keep in mind is if you do it once, it unlocks the driver's side door. If you do it twice, it unlocks all the doors. Now, if you just want to lock it, once again, as long as the key's in your pocket, all you have to do is just press it. There you can tell my vehicle's mirrors are folding back in and can't get into the vehicle. Now, something I want to point out, only the front doors and the rear hatch have the buttons for the fast key system. So, like, I know we sell Chevrolet products. A lot of their vehicles, all four doors or five doors if it's a hatch, have where you can enter. On Mitsubishi's, it's only the front two and the hatch. It's also important to note that if you do that and don't open the door within X amount of time, it will lock itself back up. So you have to be a little quick with the process. Now, I also want to show you how to do the rear hatch, because you can use the rear hatch to both unlock and lock the vehicle. So in this scenario, we're just done shopping at Target, got a bunch of stuff we don't need, but hey, it makes us happy. You're going to want to reach underneath the Mitsubishi logo, and there's a wide button. Just press up, and voila, it unlocks the vehicle. And you can open your hatch. Now, if you want to lock it, same process. You go feel underneath the Mitsubishi logo, and then to the right, there's going to be a little button, and I'll show an underneath shot of this as well. There's a little button you just press up, and that locks the vehicle. It's pretty simple. Now, let's go ahead and go underneath here real quick so you can see that. There is the unlock and the lock. Now, the reason why it's making that sound, I popped the hatch and tried to unlock it without closing the hatch. So that was just for demonstration purposes so you could see that. So we go close, lock. That's it. Every new Mitsubishi comes with two of those key fobs. It's one of those things that this is my first vehicle with the fast key system. I use it more than I thought I would. It's super simple. I love using the button on the door to get in and out. So it's a nice feature to have. You're not going to find this on the ES, the S, or the LE. But if you get an SE or above, it is available. And it's the same concept. If you get an Eclipse Cross, a Mirage, or an Outlander, the fast key system pretty much works the same. So that was a quick look at the fast key system. If you have any questions, obviously comment below. Give us a call, 304-422-6501. Check us out online, McClintonMitsubishi.com.